Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to another video. So today our topic is Pythagoras theorem. In the Pythagoras theorem we have the triangle and you have learned about the longest sides of a triangle is opposite the largest angle. What is the meaning of this? The longest sides, it means you have a triangle and in that triangle you have learned about in triangle have three sides. In the longest side, if you we have the one side is be the longest side, so longest sides of a triangle is opposite of which one? Opposite is the largest angle. So in the three sides of three angles in the triangle, the longest side is the opposite of the largest angle. Okay, first of all look at the concept behind this. Okay, we make a triangle just like this. Okay, so A, B and C. So we have made the angle of A, B and C. Now here will be the right angle of C. C is the right angle. Okay, now making the sides, the students little bit confused about the angles and the sides. Look at this is the angle. In the alphabeticals is the angle and the small letters should be the side. We make the side as well. So AB you should be marked the side C and BC you should be marked the side A and AC and you should be marked the side B. Okay, look at this. These are the sides. Okay, and these are the angles. Angles in the capital letter and the side in the small one. Okay, now AB but side should be C. So opposite side, the side is opposite with the angle of angle C. Now look at the side A and the opposite angle is A. So this is the side and B side is the opposite of the angle B. Okay, though now we have once again understand the concept behind this. The longest side, look at the longest side. Longest side means AB is opposite of that one is the opposite of the largest angle. So it means with the here will be the right angle. So right angle is the largest angle of in this triangle. So opposite sides is the largest. It means we have our sides and the longest side. So AB is the longest side and the opposite angle of the largest opposite angle. So largest is the right angle. So this is the Pythagoras theorem and this side is called the hypotenuse side. Okay. Now we make another concept behind this. So it means when you make a Pythagoras theorem, so we can say that C square is equal to A square plus B square. This is the concept of the Pythagoras theorem. C square means you have a sides of C, hypotenuse sides is equal to A square plus B square. So A square and B square, when you sum up of these two sides is equal to this side, the longest side. Okay, and making the largest angle as well. Now it means AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square. Now you make the side of C and making the A and B. So AB square is equal to A square. A square of B and C. So that's why you put the BC sides, BC square plus AC square. AC means you have the sides of B. So this is the Pythagoras concept. Okay. Now we make a value of this one. First of all, we draw a triangle. Okay, so it's A, B and C and making the values of sides 5 and 12. Okay, now AB angle B, angle C. So angle C is the always angle C is the largest one. So making the sides, so AB making the C, BC is A and AC is B. Okay. Now you put the value. First you put the value and first of all you write the formula. Pythagoras theorem. C square is equal to A square plus B square. So you find the C square. C square is equal to A square, it means you have a value of 12 So A is 12. Now you make the 12 square plus B square. You have the value of B is 5. Now it's the 5 square. So C square is equal to 12 square and 12 square is the 144. So it's 144 plus 5 square and it's 25. So C square is equal to 144 plus 25. So answer should be 169. Okay, but you find only be the C, not be the C square. So you take the square root on both sides. Square root on both sides. So you remove the square. Okay, C square. Taking square root on both sides. So you make C is equal to, now you take the square root of 169. So answer should be 13. So this is the answer. And you find the value of C is 13. Okay. Let me take another example. Let us suppose we have a value of 13 and 12 but missing the value of 5. Okay. Once again we have a value of 13 and 12 and the missing the value of 5. What is the concept behind this? First you draw a triangle. Okay. So it's A and B and C. And you have a value of 13 and 12. But this one is missing. It means C is given, A is given and B is missing. Okay. Now what's about? First you find the value of C, but put the value of formula of Pythagoras theorem. So it's C square is equal to A square plus B square. Okay. So C square, you have the value of 13 square is equal to A square is 12 square plus B square, you have the value find of B square. So 13 square, it means 169 is equal to 144 plus B square. Okay, look at this concept. So 144 here will be the positive side and we want to move the another side. So plus change into the minus 1. So 169 minus 144 is equal to B square. Now 169 minus 144 answer should be 25 is equal to B square. Once again you find the value of B not be the square. So that's why we put the square root on both sides. So it's 25 and B square. So 5 is equal to B. This is the answer. To find the value of B is 5. So you have already find it. So hope so students you understand this topic. Once again I repeat the main concept behind the Pythagoras theorem. In Pythagoras theorem we have a right angle and we have a three sides and three angle as well. First of all you understand the longest and the largest angle and the longest sides. The longest sides of a triangle is opposite to the largest angle as well. The longest sides of a triangle is opposite the largest angle. It means you have a longest sides of C. C is the longest side. It means we can say that hypotenuse side is the longest side. And about what's about the C? Right angle. So the right angle is the largest angle in this. Okay. Now C square is equal to A square plus B square. So you find and you mark the sides. So here if we look at this, the angle A and B. So you make the sides of C. Okay. Now B and C, this is these two angles and you make the sides of A, and A and C you make the sides of B. It means then you have the two angles and you make the sides of the third one side, two angles and one side. Look at the concept behind this, A and B side, but you make and mark the points of C sides. Okay, C and B, and you make the point in sides of A, and A and C you make the point of B. So in this the right angle making the angle C. So angle C making the right angle and the largest angle and the opposite sides of the C, it means AB is the hypotenuse sides. Hope so. Now here will be the formula C square is equal to A square plus B square. We can say that AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square. So hope so students you understand this topic. Inshallah in other video lecture we will be elaborate the next. Thank you.